Welcome to this stunning 4-room apartment in Kadikoy, Istanbul. This new building offers modern luxury with spacious living areas, 2 elegant bathrooms, and secure underground parking. Designed with your comfort and security in mind, this unit features a state-of-the-art alarm system. Enjoy the convenience of living in Kadikoy with its rich cultural heritage, lively atmosphere, and excellent transport links. As a special offer for our valued Timondro clients, we have an exclusive price for this unit. Don't miss this unique opportunity to own a premium property in one of Istanbul's most sought-after districts. Contact us today to schedule a viewing and take advantage of this special offer. Experience the best of Istanbul living with Timondro.